Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a YouTube video. As you read by the title, then you already know that today's video is a hair collab. I collabed with Hairvivi. They sent me a custom made bob wig. This is the box. The box is very pretty, black matte. Like, stop playing with them. Inside you get this little paper with their name on it. You get this little baggie. Inside the baggie you get a rat tail comb, an edge brush.
Yo, I thought this was mascara. That is not mascara. That is flyaway tamer.
2 hair clips with their name on it. These are some different hair clips. I never seen no hair clips that look like this. On the front it says Hairvivi. And you get this instead of it opening from the bottom, or seen no hair package that open like that before. This is the wig. It is custom made purple on the sides. I probably not bleached this because this is supposedly is already bleached. The hair do smell good. It smells good like they washed it on their own time. Yeah, so we about to install this and see what it's about. I do like the purple color. Into this.
Jordan, you're so cute.
final look. This is the final install. If y'all like the way this hair look, the way this style look, go shop with Hairvivi, period. I personally, I like it, but I will not wear it without baby hairs. I feel like the whole point of the lace front is baby hairs. But if y'all like this, if y'all like the no baby hairs look, the natural, the clean look, then y'all definitely go shop with them and get y'all some already pre-bleached hairlines, period. The hair is some good hair. I really like the color purple. The color purple is really cute. Really got me wanting to try a wig that's fully purple. The only thing I don't like is the wig is small, so if you got a big head, get a extra size bigger than what you would get. It kept sliding back, and when I laid it, it still slid back some than what it usually would be, up some more. So that's one thing. The wig is tight, it is small, so I would say size up if you do get this wig. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Everything that y'all need to know about this hair, about this wig, will be in the description box. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.